Since the beginning, the Editorial Freelancers Association has been powered by the energy and ideas of our volunteer board of governors. From Elaine Chubb and Charles Carmody in 1979 to Christina M. Fry and William Keenan Jr. most recently. The EFA board has been steered by two co-executives and organized into committees that foster many activities and opportunities for members. Since 1976, the Publications Committee has generated a library of 42 titles to date, written by EFA members for their freelance colleagues. In 1979, the Program Committee began offering in-person presentations, which evolved into the Education Program. The EFA offered our first videotaped course in 2002. With the advent of online learning platforms, courses and webinars are now available exclusively online, with topics including basic copy editing and getting started in freelancing, as well as courses on networking and sensitivity reads. The Events Committee assures that the EFA is represented at industry events across the country that draw thousands of attendees each year, such as AWP and the LA Times Festival of Books, and at events such as the Kweli International Literary Festival and the Native American Literature Symposium, where underrepresented writers and editors can learn about us and be encouraged to join our ranks. Currently, active committees also include the job list, website, membership, chapter development, strategic planning, discussion list, diversity initiative, and social media. A pioneer in organizing freelancers into a network for mutual support and advancement, the EFA is now recognized throughout the publishing industry as the source for professional editorial assistance.